So what is unsecured personal loan? So let's talk about this in this video. So ano ba yung unsecured na tinatawag na ino-offer ng bank? So the unsecured personal loan that offered by the bank is it's unsecured because walang security or parang more on favor sa client yung personal loan na ito. Why they say it? Paano nila nasabi na naka-favor sa client? Because first, they called it unsecured personal loan because one, there is no collateral. Meaning, kapag hindi ka nakabayad, hindi hahatakin, they will not get your properties, your house, your car, wala silang collateral. So, favor sa'yo because kapag di ka nakabayad, wala tong collateral. Second, there is no co-maker needed. Walang guarantor. Meaning, kapag ikaw ay hindi naman, for example, you got aksidente ka, or you died accidentally died, or during the age you died, they will not ask your husband, your wife, your sister, your family to pay it off because this personal loan is no collateral. No co-maker. Wala kang ilalagay na tao na in case na hindi ka makabayad ay sila yung magbabayad. So, favor sa client. So, if you're planning to loan in a bank, or you're planning to loan or get avail personal loan, apply personal loan, so pick an unsecured loan. So, if you're looking for unsecured personal loan, we have our RSBC Bulacan Prime Marketing and unsecured personal loan. So, this is RSBC. We are the marketing arms, one of the marketing arms of CTBC Bank. So, the CTBC Bank offered unsecured personal loan. So they have no collateral, they have no co-maker, and they offered low interest rate as low as 1.49% up to 2.9%. But I have client, and also if you are a high profile, you have a high salary, you have no credit record, you have credit card, you can get the 1.49% to 1.89%. They called it tier 1 to tier 2 account. And what's the qualification? So I will say the qualification based on my experience. So the bank qualification may differ, but I want to, as a loan processor, as sales associate that we are processing clients in the bank, I want to give this qualification. So first, qualification, dapat ikaw ay may income or may basic salary na 30 to 40,000 pesos. I want you to clear. Dapat wala na kayong masyadong deduction doon. Diba? May mga SSS tayong loans, may home loans. Sana po yung 30 to 40 basic natin is net na. Wala nang mga deduct. Or if may deduct, for example, 30 to 40K, if may deduct pa siya, I hope you have credit card. I hope you have credit card. Kasi it will help to increase your approval rate. So if you have basic 30 to 40K, you got approved kapag wala na siya masyadong deduction. And what's the qualification? You should regular status na, Doesn't matter if you are hired as regular, it accepted. And also, if you have a cancel card, as I mentioned in my previous video, if you have cancel cards, canceled na credit card, you should have on yours. Meron ka dapat na certificate of full payment na isusupport natin sa bangko na ikaw ay bayad na. So, kapag some of my client, they have cancel card and hindi na daw nila inasikaso. Parang because napakatagal na and some of their records nakikita pa sa system. So, they got rejected because we don't have something. We don't have documents to prove that you are already paid. So, also, syempre, yung bangko natatakot din na baka hindi ka na nga makabayad ulit. And sa age 21 years old and 21 to 60 or 65 years old, but if you are 65 or 60, you need to provide insurance na. And much better na wala na kayo masyadong existing loan. Mas okay nga yung wala talagang existing loan sa other bank or sa even in Pag-ibig in housing loan, because mahihirapan tayo ma-approve kayo even though maliit lang. Kapag may existing loan, bumababa ang ating approval rate. So again, this is case to case. Kung sobrang laki naman ng sahod mo, possible, and it doesn't matter yung approval rate mo, mataas pa rin. So that's the qualification for applying in this offer CTBC Bank unsecured personal loan or the salary sketch. So if you are interested to apply in this, so you can contact me. I'm Ms. Noemi Ligpitan, your trusted advisor for hassle-free loans. So I'm also a sales associate. So that's my tagline kasi I want to be to give advice for our clients to have a hassle-free loans. So their application will be smooth. So I'm also my employees my position is I'm a sales associate under RSBC Bulacan Prime Marketing. That is a marketing arm of CTBC Bank. So just contact me 0955-266-8536. That is my mobile number and also my Viber account. You can check me out also in my LinkedIn account, Noemi Ligpitan, and you can reach me out and I will help you to get a smooth process of loan application. And also I forgot to mention that the banking days of the unsecured personal loan of the CTBC Bank is 3 to 5 banking days. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.